Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And we're here to talk about the best premium motorcycle helmet deal of 2023. Well, we really didn't leave much element of surprise here, did we? The greatest premium helmet deal is
The Shoei X14 in matte black, and it's running for $582.28, saving around $250
from retail.
per Brian Van.
Per Brian Van.
Checked a few minutes ago.
Now, let me ask you this, buddy. You know, a lot of these closeout helmets, they're really old, and they have old date codes, right?
100%. And these do not have that. These are varying, honestly, from what I checked on. I can't check all 400. That would take me a long time, but I've checked a few, definitely a good amount, varying from May of 2022 to September of 2022.
Yeah, like these two we checked. These were both September of 2022.
For sure.
So if you're a club racer or just an enthusiast who prefers to have the freshest of fresh, these are basically as fresh as current stock would be. For reference, we just pulled my X15 out.
February of 23.
February 23. So, dude, you're only from September to February, right? If you end up with a September helmet, you're only talking a few months. Point being, these are super fresh. How good is this helmet? You raced in it for 2 years.
Actually, I think longer than that. I think it was
3?
I think it was around 3 technically. And honestly, I love my new X15 and I love the X14, but this is a great helmet. Probably the second best helmet on the market from what I would say prior to the X15. The peripheral vision on these Shoeis is like no other. I mean, it feels like you can see from, the back of your head. The stock aerodynamics are great, with just a wing in the back. Ventilation's great. Overall, for $580, there's no better helmet out there.
There's no better premium helmet deal than this. Super fresh, matte black. Everybody likes matte black. It matches every suit, every
100%.
jacket, every motorcycle.
For sure.
If you really want to make it look badass, you can put a couple of STG stickers on
You
it.
can do that if you want.
Just
for
like
sure.
you've been doing.
For sure. And if you're wearing Shoei, you can get a good looking bicep and you can pick up all the chicks. That's for sure.
My God, dude.
Just gotta have fun. Every
Really
once in a
now.
while.
So there you have it, the greatest premium helmet motorcycle deal of 2023, found exclusively here at sportbiketrackgear.com.